Hmm? Is that you? Whoa, hey! Oh my god, you're freezing! Come inside, shut the door! Yeah, kick his snow off! Jeez. Oh my god, you're soaked. You look like you just wrestled a snow demon. What happened? Why were you even out there? Work ended hours ago, didn't it? Wait, hold on. You went back out because... Is that a bag? Did you seriously try to bring home groceries? In this blizzard? Are you insane? Actually, you know what? No, don't answer that. Answer it later, after you stop turning into a human popsicle. Come on, get in here. Shut the door. Yeah, I know. Sorry, I'm bossy when I'm panicking, okay? Dude, you're literally shaking. What? Did the blizzard try to eat you on your way home from work? Jeez, no wonder you're frozen solid. Alright. Come on. Coat off. Give it to me. And then you, sit down. Come on, don't argue. You look like a popsicle someone dropped on the sidewalk. You're gonna get sick if you keep doing stuff like this. Alright, sit next to me. No, seriously, come here. I'm warm, the blanket's warm, the heater's trying its best but it's losing the fight, okay? So, just come warm up. Wait, you've never been cuddled before? You're telling me you've lived this long without one single cuddle? Not even, like, a relationship kind of cuddle? Like, ever? Oh my god, that's... No, I'm not making fun of you, it's just... Wow. That's actually super cute, like really cute. Okay, then tonight is your official cuddle debut. And luckily for you, I'm like stupidly good at warming people up. Ma'am, winter hits like a truck every year. Now sit down and let me cuddle you and warm you up. You're so stubborn sometimes, you know that? You can protest, but I'm not listening. It's freezing, and I refuse to let my roommate be cuddle deficient. Now move over. Scoot. Yes, I'm serious. This is happening. Hey, just try to relax. It's just cuddling. I've done it before. With, you know, a couple of past boyfriends. So I'm basically a professional. Ugh, why did I say that out loud? I forget I said that. Okay, come here. No, closer. Like, actually close. Just trust me. Your body heat's like basically non-existent right now, and I'm not letting you frostbite to death on our couch. Alright, so I want you to just lie your head right here. On my... yeah, on my chest. It's like a built-in pillow, super comfy. No, it's not weird unless you make it weird, so don't make it weird. There you go. Wow, you're really cold. Okay, this is good. This is really good. See? You're not bad at this. Actually, you're good just laying against me like that. It feels really nice. That stupid blizzard can scream all at once. You're staying right here until I can actually feel your hands again. So, anyway. How was your day? You seemed tired earlier. Yeah, that makes sense. You've been working hard. You always push yourself like that. Well, I tried to fix that shelf again. It didn't go well. Don't laugh. I swear it hates me. Oh, sorry. Is it okay that I'm running my hands through your hair? It just, it feels natural. And your hair is really soft. You like it? Well, good. It's not like I was going to give you much of a choice anyway. You can relax, you know? You're safe. I've got you. Hey, you falling asleep on me? Oh my god, you are. Well, you're really adorable like this. You're already cute, don't get me wrong. But when you fall asleep on me like I'm your personal pillow, you're extra cute. God, I'm gonna be in trouble, aren't I? Because I think I'm actually falling for you. Mm. Oh, wow, my arm is. Oh, God. Oh, right, you're still on me. Okay, okay. Don't wake up yet. Don't wake up. I'm not ready for this conversation. Oh, God. No, don't move. You're fine. Just keep sleeping. Please. Hi. Good morning. Surprise? We kind of fell asleep like this. Comfortable? Me? Yeah, totally. No, not at all. Nope. I didn't lose circulation in my entire left side. You're light as a feather, like a very heavy feather. uh, Seriously though, it's fine. I liked it. I mean, I didn't mind it. I mean, you were really cute sleeping on me. Ugh, that girl's my cool factor. Whatever. I already said it. If you ever want to do that again, you know, cuddling, I'm I'm around. Available. Not like desperate available, just I really liked spending some quality time with you. Okay, that sounds so much worse out loud. Ah, fuck. I swear I'm cooler than this. But I did like holding you. A lot. So, yeah. Just saying. I'm like stupidly good at warming up people up.